The song is called Captain Hook's Rockin' Party. So continuing on with the new C we learned, it was low C down to here. And how we recognize it is the note has two whisker lines below the bass clef. So we're going to start off the bottom with low C and right hand over to middle C position, 3 on that E flat. The left hand would keep a very steady beat like this. All right, and the right hand we are going to be running. And our right hand starts on E flat with number 3. Here we go. Left hand here is very straightforward. Once again, we're going to place our 5 down to low C, and we are only playing 3 notes in this song. Low C, and then F, and then G. And later, at the end, we'll play them together. So follow me. Let's start with the first line. Hold 2, 3, 4. Switch to F. Back to C. And G. F. Back to C. 2, 3, 4. And together, running. Over to right hand, we're going to start finger number 3 on E flat and the thumb onto middle C. We're going to play it together like this. But over here, if you look at my wrist, I'm dropping down on the E flat and I'm jumping on the middle C. Jump, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's try that again. Down, up, and next bar. Hold, down, up, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Down, up, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 1.